Hey all you BlackBerry users, Todd here from NiceBlackberry.com. Today I'm going to demo a new release we've just pushed out. It's called Social Butterfly. This is for OS 6 devices only, so it's for the 97 or 9800, 9780, 9700, 9670, 9300, 9100 running OS 6. You have to have OS 6. If you don't have OS 6, don't buy this. It will not run on your device. So there you go, OS 6 only. So let's show you what we've got. This is definitely geared towards more of the female crowd. We've got pink highlights throughout. We've got a nice wallpaper that has some flowers on it. So go ahead and check out the screenshots. But let's show you what this theme has to offer. First of all, I'm going to demo this on my torch. So let's show you what we've got. As you can see in the top banner, I'm hovered over top of the profile icon. That highlights pink. You can go ahead and push it to change your profiles out. You also get the name of the application as you hover over top on the bottom of the screen. So this is what profiles. Now what you can do is go one to the right, and you see that dot up top in the banner. That means you're there. Go ahead and push it. It's going to open up your today screen, which gives you 3 messages, 3 text messages, 2 missed calls, and 2 calendar entries. From there you can go ahead and hover on down to highlight any of these, open them, review them, what have you. If you're on a missed call, you can go ahead and push the trackpad. It'll open up a menu where you can call that person back. If you have them in your address book with an email address, you can email, text, whatever you'd like there. Escape will get rid of that, and escape will get rid of that menu. You can then also go over one more to the right, showing that dot there, push it, and you'll open up, you get BlackBerry Messenger, Twitter, and Facebook notifications. So that's what you have there. Then if you go up to the top of the banner, as indicated way up top there with the color, and push it, it's going to open up an icon screen where you have 25 icons. And then you get the highlight as you hover over top of any of them, and the name of the app on the bottom as you scroll over top of them. So that takes care of that. Also what you get is the universal search. If you go to the magnifying glass and do the push that, it opens up your universal search where you can search whatever you have set up on your device to search. Click escape, it'll take you back. From there, go up, you'll get manage connections, and push it. You get your manage connection screen, and then you can go to the left to get back to your icon screen. Go down over top of that, as referenced there, you get your clock, so push it. It opens up your clock application, and then you can go back down, and obviously you could the screens open on, not on top of each other, but they close one when you open another. So I've got messages open, and if I hit this, it's going to close it out and it's going to open this up. You can see we put an opaque background behind it so the fonts show up nice. So that's kind of what you get there. Escape ends all of the screens, so if you have the icon screen open and you hit the escape button, it'll close it. So that's how that works. Keyboard shortcuts, you also have those. Alt-T opens up your messages, text messages, missed calls, and calendar. Alt-Y opens up your BlackBerry Messenger, Twitter, and Facebook feeds. Alt-I opens up the icon screen, so you can also use the keypad shortcuts. Alt-S will open up your universal search, and again, as anything escape, goes ahead and hides it. So that's what you get in portrait view. If we flip it over into landscape view, you basically get similar to the same features, but hover top of profiles, you get the name of the app there. Then what you can do is you can go up from profiles, and this is going to highlight the banner, push your trackpad, and you go ahead and open this up. You have 12 icons on the bottom that are customizable by you, the user, and then also what you have is you have fixed icons up top here. You have 7 of them, and they consist of email, text, phone call, calendar, BlackBerry Messenger, Twitter, and Facebook. And what these will do is when you hover over top of any of them, if you have new messages or missed calls or texts or anything, it'll give you you'll get a preview of 2. So it's got a hidden preview of 2, up to 2 emails, texts, phone calls as you hover over top of them. These are fixed, so you cannot adjust any of these, but the 12 on the bottom, feel free to put them in any order you want. So that's how that works, and then you can go down and hover over top of any of these, and as you see, you get the name of the app as you hover over top of any of these. Same as the the portrait screen, escape exits out there. From there, from profiles, you can also go to the time. That'll give you the clock. From there, you can go, also you get universal search, and then also go up from universal search and you get your managed connections. So that's what the landscape view looks like, and that pretty much concludes that. It's wallpaper friendly, so if we go back in here, I'll touch that and we'll go down. We'll get a wallpaper set up and show you what it looks like with a wallpaper in portrait and landscape. So I'll go into media. Let me go into pictures. Let me go to wallpapers. I'll grab this wallpaper right here. Let me set as wallpaper. And that out. Escape there. That's what it looks like with a wallpaper activated. And then again, what you can do is, if you want the icon screen, there's the icon screen with the wallpapers, with your own wallpaper selected. Here is what they were over the first Today screen. That's what the first Today screen looks like. There's the second Today screen, and there is your search. So that's with your own wallpaper on it. Flip it over into landscape, and here's what you get with landscape. This is with your own wallpaper. We'll go ahead and open up the icon. This is what the icon screen looks like with your own wallpaper. You can see you get the pink highlight as you hover over top of the hidden previews, and then you can go down and over top of any of those, escape ends it, and then you're back up there. So that's what that looks like with wallpaper selected. You get on keypad devices, you get the keypad activation points, as well as you can trackpad to any of the navigation points in the banner. On the Torch, which is obviously a touchscreen as well, you can either navigate via trackpad or you can also touch any of these to open them up. So you get that, and then also you get the hotkeys. So it's pretty much it's an all-in-one theme, really, that gives you a ton of access to stuff. So please read the description, as it'll give you more detailed information. The demo videos we supply are a courtesy only, but that's pretty much it. That's Social Butterfly running on my Torch 9800 with OS 6. For this and all of our other great themes, please check out niceblackberry.com. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you all again soon.